Okay, microtubules जेतले details देखुछु, microtubules that is made up of globular protein and the tubulin protein. And when we see the tubulin protein are of two kind. One is the alpha tubulin protein, गोटे है हमर काना alpha tubulin protein, and another one that is beta tubulin protein. Okay, alpha and beta tubulin protein द्वारा बने से हमर काना that is made up of our microtubules. Okay, तो गोटे alpha tubulin protein and beta tubulin protein both are getting joined. Okay, दुही protein जते बेले join होसन, they are joined, and joining रे लागि ताको गोटे काना दरकार होचे, there will be requirement of an enzyme. से enzyme रो ना होचे हमर काना kinase enzyme. Kinase enzyme रो presence रे what happened, this alpha tubulin protein and beta tubulin protein they get joined. This is alpha and this is beta. Okay, so alpha tubulin protein and beta tubulin protein they get joined. This is alpha, this is alpha, this is alpha, and the beta tubulin protein they get joined with the help of the kinase enzyme. And in a structure formation हला, इस structure के कहूँ dimer बोली करे. This is called as what? Dimer. And ई dimer रा काना होचे, dimer रा polymerization होचे. Dimer रा काना होचे polymerization. Polymerization रा माने काना more number of dimer will getting joined here. बहुत dimer रा काना हबा joining हबा. जितले more number of dimer of joining होचे, सेनो गोटे hollow cylindrical structure formation होचे. And say hollow cylindrical structure can this wall. Let's see here. This is one, this is another one, this is one, this is one. So these are the alpha and beta globulin protein. Alpha and beta globulin protein basically they are forming a hollow cylindrical structure, and that hollow cylindrical structure will be our microtubule. What a microtubule, that is a hollow cylindrical structure बोली कहना, and that is made up of repeated tubulin proteins. So in that tubulin protein there is presence of what? There is presence of our alpha and this is alpha, 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 this is alpha. Okay, this is suppose alpha, this is alpha. Then there is presence of our beta globulin protein. So alpha and beta are dimer. They are arranging in a hollow cylindrical structure. That structure is called as what? That is called as your microtubule. Ita hela amar se microtubule. Okay, so microtubule रे there is presence of alpha and there is presence of beta. Then suppose this is wrong one here. Let's make this. This is one. So here there will be presence of repetition of alpha beta alpha beta alpha beta, and they are making all this dimer, they are repeating here, and they are making this structure that is called as what, that is called as your microtubule. So microtubule ro tar jodi ame lumen, this is the lumen or the space, free space, that is the free space, or that is the lumen. There will be lumen term used, that is free space, hollow space. So hollow space रो जदि हमें width देखुचु, इधर width आसुचे 150 angstrom, okay, but total microtubule रो तार width केते आसे 250 angstrom. That means इनु याड के रहबा हमर केते यगरु इस साइड के इनु याड के हमर रहउचे केते, that is your 50 angstrom, and इनु याड के रहबा हमर केते, that is your 50 angstrom. Total हो जाए 250 angstrom. Okay, so hollow space र तार width रहुचे 150 angstrom, and total microtubule रा width रहुचे हमर कना, that is your 250 angstrom. So microtubules that are what, this is made up of repeated dimer of alpha and beta tubulin protein. Repeated dimer of alpha and beta tubulin protein make a hollow cylindrical structure called as microtubule. Okay, the microtubule actually formation is second, where or site of formation of a microtubule, microtubule जिन जगह रे फॉर्मेशन है से साइट के कोजना काम बोली करी MTOC और डिस्कस करथिला microtubule organizing center, okay, and one of the example of that microtubule organizing center जेंटा के हो जे हमर कना, one of the example जेन formation is microtubule, that is a centrosome. Okay, microtubule da जेन जगह रू formation है सेटा हो जे हमर कना centrosome रू formation है हमर कना microtubule, so that you know centrosome part रू there will be distribution, or there will be contribution of your alpha and beta tubulin protein, and that alpha and beta tubulin protein will make the microtubule. Suppose गोटे microtubule इटा हला, इटा hollow structure हला, in a microtubule रे there is presence of, these are the alpha, and there will be presence of beta. Suppose these are the beta. आमर जन माइक्रोट्यूबुल है, माइक्रोट्यूबुल रो तार जन लेंथ अच्छे से तार लेंथ टा इंक्रीज करी पारे. You know, it suppose this is the microtubule organizing center. इटा मने कर microtubule organizing center हला. इनो कना हमर अल्फा एंड बीटा ट्यूबुलेंस रो एडिशन हवा. ओके, सो दैट एडिशन हबार द्वारा कना हवा इतर लेंथ टा कना करतल जिबा, इंक्रीज करतल जिबा. जदि हमर अल्फा एंड बीटा ट्यूबुलिन रो नंबर धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज कला, दे विल गेट सेपरेट फ्रॉम द माइक्रोट्यूबुल रो इमाने जदि काना करले सेपरेट हे गले, माइक्रोट्यूबुल रो जदि सेपरेट जदि हे गले अल्फा एंड बीटा दैट गेट सेपरेट, देन माइक्रोट्यूबुल रो जे लेंथ थिबा तर लेंथ ता काना करबा डिक्रीज करि जबा. एंड अल्फा एंड बीटा रो जदि एडिशन होचे, अल्फा एंड बीटा रो जदि काना होचे एडिशन होचे, एडिशन हबार द्वारा काना हबा माइक्रोट्यूबुल रो हमर काना हबा तार लेंथ ता काना करबा इंक्रीज करि जबा. So the length of the microtubule that can increase or that can decrease, and that will occur by the addition or deletion of the alpha and beta tubulin protein. So that ikana show करूचे amar this is dynamic boli kri koise microtubule that is dynamic. Why that is called as dynamic? Because it can change its size, तार size टा से change करी पारे, size change करी पारे माने तार length टा से काना करी पारे, कम बेसी करी पारे by the addition of the alpha and beta tubulin protein, and by the deletion of the alpha and beta tubulin protein they will that will decrease in the size. So যেতবেলে আমার এটা মাইক্রোটিউবুল অর্গানাইজিং সেন্টার, দিস ইজ মাইক্রোটিউবুল অর্গানাইজিং সেন্টার, ইনো যেতবেলে আমার মাইক্রোটিউবুল মানে ফর্মেশন হইছে এনো আমার যে করি অ্যাটাচ হলা কার संगे क्रोमोसोम संगे अटैच होला पर इतर लेंथ केनगरी शॉर्ट हबा, सो दैट लेंथ धीरे धीरे जितरे शॉर्ट हबा इट विल मूव टुवर्ड्स दिस. इधर जो लेंथ अच्छे लेंथ कना हबा शॉर्ट हबा, सो दैट इट विल मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दिस एंड इट विल मूविंग टुवर्ड दिस. शॉर्ट लेंथ केनगरी शॉर्ट हबा इटा होचे हमर माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स, माइक्रोट्यूबुल लेंथ केतेले शॉर्ट हबा जते इनो हमर कना हेगला अल्फा एंड बीटा ट्यूबुलिन टा रिलीज करि जाउछे, देन इधर लेंथ टा शॉर्ट हेतल जीवा एंड लेंथ टा शॉर्ट हबार द्वारा now it will moving towards this and it will moving toward this. So the microtubules that are showing the contraction in the sense jodi dekhma addition or deletion hoche alpha and beta tubulin protein ro, so that contraction show korche and one will moving towards each pole, one chromatid will move towards this pole. Okay, so this is all about your microtubules. And microtubule that make the structure that is from your centrosome, that means the centrosome that is having the microtubule, centrosome or microtubule desi, and centrosome jetale dekho chu centrosome that is having centrosome have centriole, centrosome ro amar kana desi centriole present desi. Okay, so centriole kana we'll discuss in the next class re amar discuss karma centriole kana and what is that centrosome and centriole ro structure kanta desi, how that centrosome is making here and what is the role of that centrosome and centriole. Okay, next class re discuss karna.